Eat these foods to lose weight fast. No fad diets, just real results. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Happy Go Shopping. Are you tired of fad diets that don't work? In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can eat healthy and lose a sustainable amount of weight without giving up the foods you love. It's all about balance, portion control, and nourishing your body with the right foods. Key points. What does healthy eating really mean? Focus on whole foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. These are packed with essential nutrients that keep your body fueled and energized. Foods to include: 1. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula. These are low in calories and packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making you feel full without adding many calories. 2. Proteins such as chicken, turkey, tofu, and beans. Protein helps build muscle and boosts metabolism, keeping you satisfied longer, which reduces snacking. 3. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats. They provide slow-digesting carbs that give sustained energy and prevent blood sugar spikes. 4. Healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and provide long-lasting energy. 5. Fresh fruits such as berries, apples, and oranges. High in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, fruits satisfy your sweet cravings while keeping you hydrated. 6. High-fiber foods like lentils, chickpeas, and chia seeds. Fiber aids digestion, reduces hunger, and keeps you feeling full longer, aiding in weight management. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks that slow down your metabolism and contribute to weight gain. The power of portion control. You don't have to starve yourself to lose weight. Learn how to enjoy your meals by eating the right portion sizes. Tip: use smaller plates or containers to help manage portions and avoid overeating. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water helps boost metabolism, curb cravings, and detox your body. Staying hydrated also supports digestion, helps break down food, and boosts your energy levels. Pro tip: drinking a glass of water before meals can help you feel full, reducing the chance of overeating. Smart snacking. Swap chips and sugary snacks for nuts, high in protein and healthy fats. They keep you satisfied and help control hunger between meals. Fresh fruits like bananas, grapes, and pears, loaded with fiber and natural sugars. Fruits are a sweet, healthy option to curb craving. Yogurt, rich in probiotics and protein. Yogurt supports gut health and keeps you feeling full. Vegetable sticks with hummus. Vegetables are low-calorie, fiber-rich, and perfect for snacking, while hummus adds protein and healthy fats for sustained energy. Focus on high-fiber and high-protein snacks to keep you energized throughout the day without adding unnecessary calories. Be mindful of your eating habits. Slow down while eating and listen to your body's hunger cues. Eating mindfully helps you enjoy your food, makes it easier to recognize when you're full, and avoids overeating. Incorporate movement. Exercise doesn't have to be intense. Start with walking, yoga, or light cardio. Combining regular movement with healthy eating enhances your metabolism and helps you burn fat more efficiently. Remember, healthy weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building habits that will last a lifetime. Stick with whole, nutritious foods, stay active, and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Happy Go Shopping for more tips on living your best and healthiest life. Hit the like button if you found these tips helpful.